We danced too close to breaking dawn, and loved like time would go on and on. We lit the sky with promises, too bright to last, too sweet to miss. Now silence lives where laughter stayed, and forever fades day by day. We made a home out of a flame, knowing it might not remain. We weren't meant to stay, just pass, like shooting stars that burn too fast. But I would do it all again. The joy, the ache, the bitter end. Some loves aren't built for always true, but that doesn't make them less of you. I carry pieces of our past in little ways I never ask, like the way I hum your song, or whisper goodnight when nights feel long. It wasn't wrong, it wasn't right, just love that bloomed in borrowed light. We weren't meant to last, I see, but you were everything to me. And even as you drift away, you're the goodbye I'll never say. Some hearts are just a passing flame, but I still burn when I say your name. There's a quiet spot on the stairs where you used to hum your morning prayers. Now I sit there just to feel the echo of what once was real. Your cup still rests beside the sink. I haven't moved it, can't even think. This house still calls your name so low, like it's afraid to let you go where you used to be. There's a space, a missing sound, an empty place. I reach across the air at night, just hoping you might turn on the light. I don't know how to let it be, this life without you next to me. Your sweater's folded on my bed. I still sleep wrapped in what you said. The words you left don't fade away, they stay like stars that miss the day. breathe you in the morning breeze, as if your ghost is in the trees. Where you used to be, I still stay, tracing memories that won't fade. I light a candle just in case you're out there finding your way. But even if you never see, I'll keep a place where you used to be. Where you used to be, I still stay, tracing memories that won't fray. I light a candle just in case you're out there finding your way. But even if you never see, I'll keep a place where you used to be. I keep your mug right where you left it, half a smile frozen on the shelf. The clock keeps ticking like it knows how long I've sat here by myself. Your hoodie still smells like summer rain. I wear it when I miss your name. It's strange how loud the quiet gets when memories won't pay their debts. You're still in the room, in the way I breathe, in the echoes where your laugh used to be. I tell myself I'm moving on, but you're stitched into every song. You left but never really went. Your love feels more like a permanent scent. I change the sheets but not the side where you would pull me in at night. I learned to cook what you liked most, but it's just me now with burnt toast. Loving you was just a phase, why does it still shape my days? You're still in the room, in the evening light, in the way I say goodnight each night. I'm living like you're still around. Your absence weighs more than sound. You're gone, but this room's still full of you.
didn't end with shouting fights, just quieter dinners and colder nights. We smiled like strangers in our home, two ghosts pretending we're not alone. I don't remember the last time your eyes met mine without a lie. Love doesn't always leave with screams. Sometimes it slits out of shared dreams. The way we fell apart was slow, like autumn leaves in melting snow. No door slammed, no bitter line, just your silence replacing mine. We didn't break, we just let go of something we forgot to know. Your toothbrush stayed, but not your touch. Your morning laughs, I miss them much. We said I'm tired more than I care. I wonder when love left us there. Not all endings write themselves in pain. Some just fade like summer rain. Like songs that end mid-chorus rings. No goodbye, no second try, just hearts too tired to even cry. I wish we fought for one more start, but look at the way we fell apart. Apart still stings, like songs that end mid-chorus rings. No goodbye, no second try, just hearts too tired to even cry. I wish we fought for one more star, but look at the way we fell apart.
Every Sunday you brewed the tea, 2 mugs, 1 hope, just you and me. We talk until the cups went cold. Now silence pours what we once told. The chair across from me is still waiting for your morning will. Some routines feel like lullabies until they hurt when love just dies. We stayed until the cups went cold, until our warmth turned into mold. I held your hand like porcelain, too fragile to begin again. We never fought, we just let time erase the reasons you were mine. set their heart to heart. We stayed until the cups went cold and let the heat of love unfold. We could have spoken, could have tried, but comfort taught us how to hide. So now I sip what we both knew. It's not the same without you. We stayed until the cups went cold and let the heat of love unfold. We could have spoken, could have tried, but comfort taught us how to hide. So now I sip what we both knew. It's not the same without you. I still sleep with all the lights on, as if you'll walk back through that door. Your slippers wait where you left them, like they're hoping for one step more. I eat in silence now, one plate. Your absence echoes every bite I take. I can't forget the way you moved around this house like love proved. All the lights stayed on like a sign that maybe you'd come back in time. But hours pass and nothing's changed, just my hope getting rearranged. I don't believe in miracles, but I still leave a light for you. The laundry still smells like you do. I never washed that shirt you wore. I don't need a photo to miss you. Your goodbye lives in every drawer. I know you're not turning that key, but I leave it unlocked foolishly. All the lights stayed on and I wait, caught between memory and fate. I keep this house just like it was, a home that aches but never does. Maybe I'm just scared to move on, so I sleep with the lights still on. All the lights stayed on and I wait, caught between memory and fate. I keep this house just like it was, a home that aches but never does. Maybe I'm just scared to move on, so I sleep with the lights still on.
I wrote you things I'll never send, notes with no address, no end. I keep them folded in a drawer where love still breathes behind a door. Each word was stitched with quiet ache. My heart on paper, wide awake. They're filled with lines I couldn't say, the ones that begged you not to stay away. These are letters never sent, sealed in tears I never meant. I write your name like it's a prayer, still hoping somehow you'll be there. Ink fades, but you don't erase. You're hiding in my every phrase. I write about the songs we knew, the ones that still sound like you. I ask you how your dreams turned out, but silence is all I get back now. Would it have changed a thing at all if you had read just one before the fall? These are letters never sent, with I love you stuck in past tense. Each page is stitched with broken time, each yours forever lost in rhyme. And maybe that's how we were meant. Love inside a letter never sent. These are letters never sent, with I love you stuck in past tense. Each page is stitched with broken time, each yours forever lost in rhyme. And maybe that's how we were meant. A love inside a letter never sent.
You always said the moon was ours, no matter how far apart we are. Now I walk alone beneath its light, wondering if you see it tonight. I whisper things I'd never dare, just hoping it'll get you there. Some love stays quiet out of fear, but the moon, it always hears. If the moon could talk, it'd say your name in every glow, in every frame. It saw us kiss, it saw us cry, it's seen the truth we tried to hide. Though we don't speak,
This room was white when you were gone. Now every wall hums your old song. I see your shadow in the hue of morning gold and evening blue. Even the curtains seem to sway, the way you moved when you would stay. It's strange how love can paint a place and leave its ghost in every space. You left a color I can't name, a kind of soft that feels like rain. It's not quite red, not fully gray, but it wraps me when I drift away. Even when the light is new, this place still holds the color of you. I bought new frames, moved the chair, but still I turn and find you there. Your laugh still lingers in the air, a soundless echo, sweet and rare. They say time fades all the hues, but you're the shade I'll always choose. You left a color I can't touch, and I feel it when I miss you too much. You're not here, but you still stay, like sunlight that forgot the day. It's not the same, it's something true, the color you left when I lost you. Started raining when you left, like even the sky felt the theft. I watched the drops blur your goodbye, 1,000 teardrops from the sky. You always loved the sound of storms. I hated them until you were warm. Now every storm feels like a thread, pulling me back to things you said. With the rain came you, somehow still. In every drop your love is real. You fell with grace, then slipped away, but I still find you in rainy days. And though it breaks me, I hold tight to echoes falling through the night. I leave my windows cracked a bit, so I can hear you when you hit. The rhythm plays a ghostly tune, a lullaby of me and you. If rain can carry all we were, then maybe love still stirs. With the rain came you again.
brings back you. With the rain came you again, like water washing out the pain. You're in the puddles in the gray. In every storm I lose my way, but part of me will always do believe the rain still brings back you.